primary colors. Let's paint. Hi, kids. Today we're doing a painting of a hedgehog. Let's have some fun. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven, and he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven. And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind. And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. Hey kids! Have you ever seen a little animal with spiky fur that rolls up into a ball? That's a hedgehog. Let's learn some cool things about these adorable creatures. What is a hedgehog? A hedgehog is a small animal known for its spiky back, which is covered in sharp spines called quills. These quills help protect the hedgehog from predators, animals that might want to eat them. When a hedgehog feels scared, it curls up into a tight ball, hiding its soft belly and showing only its sharp quills. This makes it very hard for anything to hurt them. Where do hedgehogs live? Hedgehogs are found in many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. They live in a variety of places like forests, grasslands, and even gardens. Some people also keep hedgehogs as pets. Fun facts about hedgehogs. Even though hedgehogs have sharp quills, they are actually very gentle animals. Their quills don't hurt unless the hedgehog feels threatened. Hedgehogs are great for gardens because they eat pests that can harm plants, like insects and slugs. In the winter, some hedgehogs hibernate, which means they sleep for a long time to stay warm and save energy. During hibernation, they find a cozy place to curl up and sleep until the weather gets warmer. Hedgehogs have an excellent sense of smell. They use their noses to sniff out food, even when it's buried under leaves or dirt. When a hedgehog is eating, you might hear it making little snuffling or crunching sounds. They can be pretty noisy eaters. Hedgehogs are amazing little animals God has made with lots of cool traits. Next time you see a hedgehog, or even a picture of one, remember that God in heaven created them. Let's take care of our spiky friends and make sure they have a safe place to live.